Hello, this is Kareen from Shakes Bakes. Right now we're going to be talking about how to make a pepper spray for your garden. Here are our ingredients. We need 2 cups of hot water, 3 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 3 teaspoons of garlic pepper, 3 teaspoons of all-natural dish detergent, 2 tablespoons of mineral oil, and a spray bottle. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our ingredients like this into our water. It's really easy. Just dump them in. We're going to open up spray bottle. I'm going to pour in the contents. Going to put the top on our spray bottle. We're going to shake it up. Ooh, look at that. Just like that. Shake it up. Now, you're going to let this sit overnight before you use it. That way everything is able to marry and become effective to repel any sort of insect or anything that you want to repel that's in your garden. And it should store for 90 days in a cool place. I'm Kareen from Shakes Bakes, and this is how you make a pepper spray for the garden.